With Crush, we're looking at utilising post-consumer glass, which historically always goes to landfill. And it's not just there for 100 years like a carrier bag or 200 years like a bag for life. It's in the ground for eternity. And we're looking to use the post-consumer glass, which is glass that's come back from households, to use in the manufacture of new glass. And in collaboration with Saint-Gobain, we've developed a machine. We've named it Crush. And the strap line is the glass, not the grass. The glass is always greener on the other side. And it's basically providing sustainability within our industry, and hopefully it'll be a model that can be replicated up and down the country with other companies to recycle and reuse post-consumer glass. From here, we generate the white bags or sacks with the glass in, and from Morley Glass, the glass then is taken over to Eggborough, the Saint-Gobain glass manufacturing plant, to be reused in the manufacture of the new glass. The money that we generate from this product and this initiative will then not swell the profits of Morley Glass. We'll be using this to invest in local environmental and green initiatives.